Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of altcoins. I'll be showing you exactly how to spot the next big altcoin before it skyrockets. It's about understanding the fundamentals, doing your research, and developing a keen eye for potential. Just like any successful investor in traditional markets looks for strong companies with solid fundamentals, we need to apply the same principles to the crypto space. So, let's get started and uncover the secrets to spotting those altcoin gems. Step 1 on our journey to altcoin mastery is all about identifying a strong use case. In the world of crypto, it's not enough for a project to simply exist. It needs a purpose, a reason for being. Every successful altcoin solves a real-world problem or improves upon existing technology. Let's take Ethereum as a prime example. It introduced the groundbreaking concept of smart contracts and decentralized applications, effectively changing the game entirely. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is revolutionizing how we think about financial services, making them more accessible and transparent. Then there's the explosion of blockchain gaming, where players can truly own their in-game assets and potentially earn real-world value. And let's not forget the rise of NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, which are changing how we perceive and trade digital art, collectibles, and even virtual real estate. So, when you're evaluating an altcoin, ask yourself, what problem is it solving? Does it offer a better, faster, or cheaper solution than what's already out there? Remember, a strong use case is the foundation of a successful altcoin. It's what attracts developers, builds communities, and ultimately drives adoption. In the next chapter, we'll explore another crucial aspect of evaluating altcoins: the community and developer activity. Welcome back, crypto explorers. Now that we've covered the importance of a strong use case, let's move on to step 2, assessing the community and developer activity surrounding an altcoin. This step is all about gauging the project's pulse, its vibrancy, and its potential for long-term success. Think of it this way. A strong and active community is the lifeblood of any successful altcoin. It's a sign that people believe in the project's vision, are passionate about its potential, and are actively engaged in its development. On the flip side, a project with little to no community engagement should raise a red flag. So where do you go to gauge this community pulse? Social media platforms are your best friend. Head over to Reddit and dive into the subreddits dedicated to the altcoin you're researching. Are people actively discussing the project, sharing their thoughts and ideas? Are they excited about upcoming developments? Next, join the project's Discord server. This is where you'll likely find the most dedicated community members. Pay attention to the level of activity in the channels, the types of discussions taking place, and the overall sentiment. Don't forget to check out Twitter. See what people are saying about the altcoin, how often it's being mentioned, and whether any influential figures in the crypto space are talking about it. But community engagement is only half the equation. Equally important is the level of developer activity. Look for regular updates, new features being added, and a clear roadmap outlining the project's future plans. Remember, a vibrant community coupled with a dedicated development team is a powerful indicator of an altcoin's potential. In the next chapter, we'll delve into the fascinating world of tokenomics. Get ready to learn about supply, distribution, and why they matter so much. Welcome back, savvy investors. We're now diving into the fascinating world of tokenomics, a crucial aspect of evaluating any altcoin. In essence, tokenomics refers to the economic model of a cryptocurrency, how it's created, distributed, and managed. One of the first things you need to examine is the coin's total supply. Is it a fixed supply like Bitcoin, where there will only ever be 21 million coins in circulation? Or is it an inflationary model with a potentially unlimited supply? Scarcity, as we know, often drives up value. Bitcoin's limited supply is one of the reasons it's considered a store of value, like digital gold. However, some argue that inflationary models, with their potential for increased adoption and use, can also be lucrative, but total supply is just the tip of the iceberg. Equally important is how these tokens are distributed. A key factor to consider is how much of the total supply is held by the team or founders versus how much is in public circulation. Ideally, you want to see a fair and transparent distribution model where a significant portion of the tokens is allocated to the community through various mechanisms like mining, staking, or airdrops. Another essential aspect of tokenomics is the concept of token utility. What can you actually do with the token within the project's ecosystem? Does it grant you governance rights, allowing you to vote on proposals and shape the project's future? Understanding a token's utility is crucial in determining its long-term value proposition. So, when you're evaluating an altcoin, don't just look at the price chart. Dive deep into its tokenomics. This will give you a much clearer picture of the project's long-term potential. Welcome back, crypto enthusiasts. We're moving on to step 4 in our quest to uncover the next big altcoin, assessing market sentiment and news coverage. Now, while hype alone shouldn't dictate your investment decisions, it's an undeniable force in the crypto market, especially in the short term. Think of it like this. Positive market sentiment acts as fuel, propelling an altcoin's price upwards. When people are excited about a project, talking about it positively and sharing their optimism, it creates a buzz, a momentum that can drive significant price action. On the other hand, negative sentiment can act as a drag, causing investors to shy away and potentially leading to a price decline. That's why it's crucial to be aware of the overall sentiment surrounding an altcoin. But where do you find this information? Start by exploring crypto news websites and blogs. Are they publishing positive articles about the altcoin you're interested in? Are they highlighting its potential, its partnerships, or its technological advancements? Next, head over to social media, your go-to source for real-time sentiment analysis. What are people saying about the altcoin on Twitter? Are they bullish or bearish? Are there any trending hashtags related to the project? Don't underestimate the power of crypto influencers. These individuals often have large and dedicated followings, and their opinions can significantly impact market sentiment. Another valuable resource is data aggregators like CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. These platforms provide a wealth of information, including price charts, trading volume, and, most importantly, sentiment analysis tools. By staying informed, monitoring news coverage, and gauging social media sentiment, you'll be better equipped to navigate the volatile world of altcoins. Welcome back, fellow crypto voyagers. We've reached the final and arguably most crucial step in our journey to altcoin mastery, timing, and entry point. Even the most promising altcoin with a rock-solid use case, a vibrant community, and positive market sentiment can lead to losses if you buy in at the wrong time. It's like catching a wave. You need to paddle at the right moment to ride it to its peak. Buy too early and you might be stuck waiting for the wave to build. Buy too late and you risk getting wiped out. So how do you find that sweet spot, that perfect entry point? It all comes down to technical analysis, a skill that can seem daunting at first but is essential for any serious crypto trader. Don't worry, I'm not talking about deciphering complex charts with dozens of indicators. We'll keep it simple and focus on the essentials. The first thing you'll want to do is familiarize yourself with candlestick charts. Each candlestick represents a specific time frame. It could be 1 minute, 1 hour, or even 1 day. And it tells a story about price action during that period. Look for patterns, trends, and support and resistance levels. Support levels act as a floor, preventing the price from falling further, while resistance levels act as a ceiling, making it difficult for the price to break through. Ideally, you want to buy an altcoin when it's trading near its support level, indicating a potential bounce back. This is where you'll find the most favorable risk-reward ratio. Another helpful tool is moving averages. These lines on the chart smooth out price fluctuations, making it easier to identify trends. A popular strategy is to buy when a shorter-term moving average crosses above a longer-term moving average, signaling a potential bullish move. But remember, technical analysis is not an exact science. It's an art that takes time and practice to master. Don't be afraid to experiment with different indicators, timeframes, and strategies to find what works best for you. And most importantly, never invest more than you can afford to lose. The crypto market is incredibly volatile, and even the best traders experience losses. And there you have it, your roadmap for spotting the next big altcoin. Remember, this market is fast-paced, and while the opportunities are huge, so are the risks. Do your own research, stay informed, And don't let FOMO drive your decisions. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto insights. See you in the next video, and happy trading.